Plantations too is a great community, even with this awesome park. There's also a tennis court, a hockey rink, and a basketball court just over here to my left. This has been a great place to call home for these sellers. Now it's your turn. There's all new windows on the front, vinyl siding, many updates inside, but you're gonna have to follow along with the tour to see all of them. What do you think of this kitchen? Tons of natural light pouring in from the new windows, tile floor, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a great view of the living and dining room. There's a great breakfast bar setup, dining area, living space, and just through that brand new sliding glass door is a beautiful brand new deck. Summer's just around the corner, and you know what that means? Barbecue time on the deck. Upstairs offers 3 good-sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. There's updated hardwood floors in here and a new window in the nursery. Can you picture yourself enjoying this basement? There's a great workstation right here, entertaining space here with a beautiful wood fireplace, a full bath just behind the camera, and utility room just to the left. So what did you think of White Pillar? If you or someone you know may want to schedule a showing on it, reach out to me directly or contact your agent. Plantations too is a great community, even with this awesome park. There's also a tennis court, a hockey rink, and a basketball court just over here to my left. It's a little chilly for a swim today, but this pool will be opening in the spring.